I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Yay, look what arrived. This here is the Spring 2025 Walmart Beauty Box. Yes, Walmart has a beauty box, and typically it's really good, especially for the price point. It costs a whopping $6.95. Well, technically, the box is free. The $6.95 is for shipping and handling. Now this box just contains a bunch of travel or sample size products, although we tend to get at least one, sometimes two, full-size items. And in case anyone was interested, I have version 1. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what we got. Oh, by the way, it does come with a booklet that will show all of the products that you possibly could have received. They do actually have numerous versions. All right, first item is kind of large but very light. What is this? NAIR, flashback to the 80s, face and bikini, wax ready strips. Okay, I say that because I've never used NAIR before in my life. I don't no. However, I'm noticing my blonde mustache. I'm noticing it when I'm editing videos. I don't know if anyone else does, but like my foundation kind of sticks to it. So yay, this is a product I never in a million years would have gone out to buy, but I'm super happy to have it in my life. TMI, but ugh, mustache, no bueno. All right, next item. Okay, we have what I refer to as a frequent flyer. We tend to get a lot of CERAVE. What are you? Oh, not what I was expecting at all. So this is an anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo. Okay, I thought it was going to be a hand cream, a body cream, any kind of cream. I did not know CERAVE made shampoo, and how dare they assume I have dandruff. But hey, if and when I ever have some dry scalp, yay, that's in my life. Okay, this is also I wouldn't say a frequent flyer, but we've been getting a lot of, between Allure and Walmart, these, is this a spray? Wait, before I stick my toe, yeah, it's a spray. I say that because I use sticks, not sprays, but this is the Degree Advanced 24-Hour Deodorant. I actually do use Degree, but just not the spray. Ew. It smells like old lady perfume. All right. Was not expecting that. What are you? A very tiny little bottle. Revolution. Wait, what? I didn't know Walmart carried Revolution. This is translucent baking powder. I don't bake. Don't use powder. But in the event I'm going to try something at some point in my life. Okay. Nice to see some makeup. Leave me a comment and let me know. Were you aware that Walmart carried Revolution? Okay. And wait. Oh, I was about to say, another product from CeraVe. Well, of course, they had to toss in the Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Conditioner. Okay, is that everything? Yeah. I must say, out of all the boxes recently, this one, for me personally, is a little disappointing. 2 products related to dandruff, and I don't have dandruff. I don't use powder. I don't like spray deodorants, but I am excited to try that one because it said on the face. I'm super curious what we could have received. All right, so some lucky people are going to get the CoverGirl Lash Blast. I'm not upset about that because I only wear waterproof, and that's a regular mascara. Others might have received a Sally Hansen Salon Effects Perfect Press-On Nails. I'm not mad about that. I don't do my nails. Someone could have received the NYX Professional Makeup Face Glue Gripping Primer. I'm not mad about that. I typically don't prime, and when I do, I go for moisture or glow. And that is it. This month in general, not super exciting. Even the products I didn't get. Normally I'm like, oh, I wish I got that. Oh, somebody's lucky. I think all of the products, in my opinion, were a little meh. But again, the box was only $6.95, so I can't really complain. I am curious what this costs. Is that full size? Full size is $6.97, which is a 40 count, and this is a sample 8 count. All right, well, I'm going to list on screen the MSRP total value. If anyone's curious, I like doing the research and figuring out ounces and this and full size and just to figure out. Typically, these boxes have a retail value of between like $14 to $20. Not a lot, but still, considering you only spent $6.95, not too shabby. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.